In less than 6 minutes, I'm going to give you one of our best kept secrets that got us started in the bath and body business, and we never look back. I'm going to show you how you can easily replicate this type of business locally and online, and believe me, you won't look back either. And I challenge you to find another business like this. What if I told you could easily start a custom lotion store with 60,000 possible variations on a small budget? You'd say 60,000 variations? That's impossible. It would take tens of thousands of dollars to start that. I can't afford it. Well, I'm going to show you how to do it with only a $750 startup inventory. Impossible, you'd say? No, it's very possible, and I'm going to show you how. We've done it, and now you can do it too. Let's take a minute and imagine yourself walking into a store and being able to find your perfect lotion, your favorite fragrance, the color of bottle you love that matches your decor, the size bottle you want, the type of dispensing cap or pump you want, and the perfect lotion you love. Now imagine you own that business. You have 60,000 different combinations that cater to just about every taste, need, want, and skin type. That's the power of a well-built and well-thought-out custom lotion store startup. Customization is more than a trend. It's a proven strategy to gain devoted customers, charge premium prices, and outshine the competition. When customers feel their preferences are heard and valued, they not only come back, they will tell their friends. This lesson will show you exactly how to easily assemble products in a way that delights customers while keeping inventory management simple and your business scalable. By leveraging just a handful of thoughtfully selected ingredients, packaging, scents, and features, you can command the market and secure your place as an unbeatable custom lotion provider. Whether you're new to the industry or looking to expand your offerings, you'll discover why so many variations aren't overwhelming. They're your greatest asset. How can I do this, you ask? It's really pretty simple. Just keep watching. In order to please customers, you have to be able to give them what they want. That means having the products available that make them happy. If you do that, they will always come back to you, and you can charge a great price for the service. So here's my do it principle. No one else is doing it or will do it the way you will do it. And here's how to do it. Let's start with the lotion bottles. To make 60,000 variations, we're going to start with only one type of bottle. That is the Cosmo or bullet type, which is the most preferred. Now, if you want to double your variations to 120,000, all you have to do is also add the Boston type bottles that many people also love. Get each type of bottle in 4 colors: blue, green, and amber, and clear. There's other colors, but these seem to be the most popular right now. Then get 3 sizes of each bottle that sells great: 2 ounce, 4 ounce, and 8 ounce. Now use 4 types of closures: a gold, a silver, and black or white dispensing cap, and a pump. Choose 4 types of lotions. This is important. Choose the ones you think will be the most popular, that different skin types will need and love. Do some research, as there are many types of lotions available. Have about 26 types of fragrances and essential oils. Choose the ones you think will be popular. This is where your intuition and research comes into play. Some popular fragrances like lavender and citrus will always be popular, but many of the other top fragrances are always changing with the seasons and locality. Add 3 types of additives that customers would like and appreciate, like vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera. Choose 4 lotion type colors you can blend in the lotions. These can be liquid dyes or pigment dyes. The above stock will give you either 60,000 or 120,000 variations you can provide to any customer. And that is how you gain customers and become known as the custom lotion provider. If you can afford it, also purchase 1 ounce bottles for samples. You can give them away or sell them. Many people will purchase samples to see which lotion they like best and come back and purchase an 8 ounce. And one of the best things is you can use many of the above parts in many other different products, such as creams, sprays, shampoos, massage oils, etc., when you start to expand your business. So you ask, how much is this startup going to cost? For everything above we discussed, without any taxes or freight, it comes to just under $750. Now, for a free breakdown of all the different items, their costs, and where to get them wholesale, click on or go to the URL in the notes or in the comments. If you want to know more about this incredible business adventure, for 3 free lessons, go to freelessons.mainstreetdigitalacademy.com. To learn more about the business and get yours started, go to learn.mainstreetdigitalacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Get your business started soon. Have a great day.